This is the BMW K100 RS that I bought on eBay. It's my first ever big project and I'm making a cafe racer out of it. Last time I managed to strip it down from all the fairings. This time I'm continuing with the weight reduction. By the end of this video, the only things left on this motorcycle should be just the engine and the drive shaft. So let's get to it. I'll start with the exhaust and we're gonna tear this bike bit by bit, going up and up and up until there's only frame left. That doesn't seem safe at all. Yeah, I'm gonna let it down a little bit. I think I'm stripping it. Nobody said it will be easy. Maybe I should use some power tools and strip it even more. What's the worst that is gonna happen? If the exhaust is not coming off, let's take something else off. So because the exhaust is not giving in, I decided that I will remove the whole front. I need to get rid of this, I need to get rid of the front wheel, front everything. Lots of wires over here that need to go. Come off, here we go. Let's try this one. Goes. Progress is being made. Yes, clutch cable, clutch. Good. Oh, now we have clean handlebars, which is some sort of an improvement of removing everything. It took me only 2.5, 3 hours, a lot more to go. So I took a little break because I was frustrated with how difficult it is to work on this bike for me personally, because I never worked on the bikes previously, and especially big projects like this. I noticed that this one is connected to that side, and this one, which I need to disconnect, is connected to this one. So I know that I can remove it and everything will come out the way it should. Yes. One off, one more to go. The other side off. After removing the grips, I continue with marking up wires, connections, and removing the clutch cable to make the front as clean as possible and make it look like this. I continue with removing as much wiring as possible from the frame itself, until I stumbled upon another challenge, the airbox. Whoa! There's a proper spider nest over there. Ooh. Don't tell me that it's gonna be again the same situation. Yes! One moving! The other one is gonna be a challenge. So it all has come down to torque screw. We'll see how that one will perform. Took a lot of hammering, but I managed to get it loose. So instead of an Allen key, I put a torque screw onto it. I hammered the shit out of it, and I managed to unscrew it. Now then, continuing the dismantling. Here we go! Now the other side of the airbox is coming off. So let's remove the whole wiring loom with the whole fuse box. Hopefully it goes. and hopefully it all works out how it should. It was a great success, as I managed to remove all wiring with the fuse box and also the last bits and pieces that hold the frame to the engine. And with the help of a friend, I managed to take the frame off. So, as you see, the frame is off, and you can't even see the bike behind me. Well, you can see a little bit of it, but here it is. Now I can focus on fixing the frame and everything. Couple of things left. I need to remove the exhaust, and then I'll be removing all the forks and the handlebars and everything from the frame, that I would have bare frame and nothing else, and I would be able to work on it. From what I saw, it's Allen key over there. I just want to remove the pipe, and that's about it. And I can see that there's a couple of screws over here that need to be removed. Well, that one snapped.
But wait, there's more!
Oh no!
Oh,
that one
no.
snapped also. Well, I have 2 snap bolts. Well, at least the exhaust is free now. Because the exhaust was not giving up, I decided to take a different approach and use drastic measures. A hammer. Oh. After hammering for 2 days non-stop, multiple people helped me from TikTok and YouTube. So thank you very much, guys. I finally managed to take off the exhaust. 8 bolts. The way I took them out, 4 of them came out with the studs itself, 4 of them came out like this. What I had to do is use a hammer, another hammer. I messed up my socket extension because I was hammering basically a smaller size socket onto them. So finally, I managed to actually take them off. Now, one of the last things of disassembly is the whole front end. And as expected, this part didn't go without a challenge also. Lots of hammering, heat, and a size bigger sockets were involved to take it apart. One out, and another one out. We have 2 forks, and we have a wheel. But the most important thing is that I managed to get the frame off. So we have half of the bike here and half of the bike here, and the rest of it is rubbish basically. But for now, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any notes how to make this project a little bit easier, or what I missed, what I haven't done, please let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.